Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and I'm here with you today to do a quick flip through of a Traveler's Journal style folio that I made. And this is a collaboration with Donna Thomson from Pleasantrees Cottage, and all we're doing are flip throughs. So we're each making our own project using the same kit, and then we're filming a flip through. There's going to be a tutorial on how to make a very similar folio like this coming out towards the end of the month. Okay, so keep your eyes out for that. So we've got our beads. We have our beads, yours and mine. And it wraps around. And that opens up your envelope stack. This doesn't have a card. It's just sort of a band to hold everything in. It's a very pretty kit. It's monochrome in most of the kit, but it's still beautiful. It's all plants and their flowering parts. I guess that's all I'm going to say about that. Okay, so you can see on here, let's take a look here. We have a writing card here. This one's at the top. This one's on the side. This one's on the side. It's a great big one. See if I can get a hold of it. I know it's right there. I can see it. Great big one. They're all so nice. Images are so beautiful. And then at the center you have this beautiful image. I believe she's going to use the same image in the center, because why wouldn't you? Of course, there's another large writing card right here. I know they had that folded wrong, but when you open this on the inside, there's a giant sweet pea, of course. Right here is a writing card. There's another matching writing card on the other side at the top. Right here. Oops, I'm not holding on to that. I'm grabbing onto the notebook. There's another matching writing card up here. Okay, I'll just pull it out. Alright, and then on this side you have a pocket. There's a large writing card on there. There's an envelope. I made this writing card. I love that image. And there's a small writing card here with some tickets for your travels and a stamp for your postage. This is a image that I really love in this kit, and I used it to cover a writing pad. And then I didn't put anything on the back so that it would lay flat, especially with the envelope stack on the front. And that's it. That's the flip through. So don't forget to keep track of when the end of the month comes along, so that you can see how to make one very similar to this. It may not be the exact end of the month. It may be just close to the end of the month, the week before, something like that. All right. So this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers bidding you adieu. And I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.